I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And the world is on.
Been a while. Oops, y'all look little. A little better. It's been a while. How y'all doing? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this front porch somewhat taken care of. It's hot. It's still like 90 degrees outside. Global warming where here in the United States is where it's at. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this front porch, and then yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to 2025 porch cleaning over here at DAT Family 5. If this is your first time, thank you. I hope you like enough to subscribe. If you are a lovely, thank you for being here again and continuing to watch all the way through. I am Atoya, wife, mother, and loving daughter, entrepreneur, all those things. And on this channel, you get cleaning motivation, DIY inspiration, and hopefully we will remind you to live your life and love it. Okay? See y'all at the end.
For you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep?
Yeah, can we please have Gabe start by himself?
Just because you're my day one doesn't mean you're the right one. I had to keep my options open.
For you to come to your senses. Been on it since we was kids. You taught me how to French kiss. Now you so cold with your business, but you still don't know what love is. Love is more than feelings, it's choices. Why we so indecisive? All these years later, still the same shit. Running, open cycle, but before it closes, I want you to want me, ask me to be more in your life. But if you did, would I run? 'Cause you've been here since day one. You had me from day one. You could have been chosen. I won't be sloppy seconds. My day one.
Just because you're my day one doesn't mean you're the right one. I had to keep my options open.
For you to finally get serious about me, we never gonna be official. social. Playing games so childish. Late night creeping on some bullshit. Let's just say goodbye to benefits and be friends. Wanted you to want me, ask me to be more in your life. But if you did, would I run? 'Cause you've been here since day one. Yeah, you had me from day one. You could have been chosen. I won't be sloppy seconds. My day one never took me out. They think I wasn't worthy. What is that all about? Messing with my self-esteem. I should make you proud. Standing next to me. I'll take my love out loud from day one. Yeah, you had me from day one. Oh, you could have been chosen. I won't be sloppy seconds. My day one. Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that kudu? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Yeah, we maybe I need some space. Maybe I need some space. Need somewhere, somewhere else to go. Maybe I need some space. Maybe I need some space. what could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I
A little bit make it look like a love home. At least to me. It's still warm out here. Alright, we're almost done. The chair's almost done drying. I gotta get a rag. Right down the table. And then get this water moving. It's warm.
I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust. But you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive. It's giving looks, yeah. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks, yeah. La 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 la. Looks, la 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 la. Looks.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good to you. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't
you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending.
All right, we got through the first one. The sun is about to go down. It's like 8 something. At least I think. I don't know for sure. It's something. Yo, it's hot. It's still hot. As always though. For we are the family that love life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Continue to live your life with love and continue to love your life. Y'all be blessed. We'll see y'all soon. Mwah.
Now, yeah, I'm waiting for